to interact with the different officer trainees from different parts of the country.
National integration and cultural harmony is manifested in the India Day celebrations at the Academy. The entire pool of officer trainees is grouped to represent the varied culture of all the regions of India. The rich diversity and traditions of each region are enthusiastically displayed and experienced by the OTs through the apparels, culinary and regional art forms of the states.
Foundation course is the mother of all courses, where we have officers of the All India Services, Foreign Services, all Group A services of the Government of India and the Royal Bhutanese Service. It is an introduction to the government, an exposure to it. More important, it is to build esprit de corps amongst the various participants of the course. It focuses on different aspects: administrative, social, economic, and as you can see in the background, the cultural.
Needless to say, the officer trainees are left highly enriched through this deep immersion into the grandeur of India's culture. Through the manifestation of the immense diversity, one of the major goals of the foundation course is realized, which is to strengthen the idea of India in its holistic sense.
I do solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance.
The idea of integrity, which is an important part of good governance, is reinforced with the trainees swearing their allegiance to the Indian Constitution. The oath enjoins the officers to serve the underprivileged, which is a core value of the Academy. This is reiterated through the week-long village visit, during which the trainees stay at a remote village. India lives in its villages, and the visit provides a unique opportunity to experience the pearls of the soul of India. The local people of Mussoorie are also benefited by the work of Social Service Society, which organizes various activities like Shramdan, blood donation, career counseling, tuitions to children, and varied outreach work done by the probationers in the community center.
सेंस ऑफ कैरियर से मसूरी में आपको सेंस ऑफ मिशन मिलता है। आप सेंस ऑफ कैरियर से निकल करके सेंस ऑफ मिशन पर आए, और जब यहां से फील्ड में जाएंगे आप, तब आपका एक अल्टीमेट स्टेज होगा, वो होगा पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ।
On the whole, the foundation course helps imbibe in the probationers the 8 prime qualities which are the essential character traits of an ideal civil servant. These values are summarized through the melodious Academy song, which expounds on the spirit behind the motto, Sheelam Param Bhushanam.
आओ धर्म ते धीर, आओ कर्म ते वीर, आओ उन्नत शील नहीं भार। भूली भेदा भेद ज्ञान, आओ सबे अगुवान, साथे आछे भगवान आबे जय। रहो धर्म में धीर, रहो कर्म में वीर, रखो उन्नत शील डरो ना। नाना भाषा, नाना मत, नाना